7 online side hustles beginners can start now to make money with AI. With AI exploding in late 2025, side hustles are shifting towards smarter and lower-effort options. Recent trends on X and Forbes highlight AI-powered gigs, digital products, and faceless content as some of the best opportunities for beginners. These ideas are fully remote, require low startup costs, and can realistically reach $500 per month with only 10 to 15 hours of work per week. The focus is on tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and free online platforms. AI-assisted freelance content creation. This side hustle involves using AI to write blog posts, social media captions, emails, or scripts faster, then selling those services on freelance platforms. It is trending because the demand for AI-enhanced content is booming, and beginners can compete even without perfect writing skills. The earning potential ranges from $20 to $60 per hour, and completing 10 to 15 gigs per month can easily reach $500 or more. To start, create a profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, use ChatGPT to generate drafts, and charge between $20 and $50 per piece. Selling AI-generated digital products. You can create planners, ebooks, templates, or printables using AI tools and sell them passively on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. This trend is growing because digital product sales on Etsy are surging, and you can create a product once and sell it repeatedly. Earnings can reach $500 to over $2,000 per month after publishing 20 to 30 listings. To begin, use Canva AI or Midjourney for design and ChatGPT for written content, then price products between $5 and $20 each. If you like those tips, drop a like and subscribe to Profitable Business Online. It helps a lot. Faceless YouTube or TikTok content using AI automation. This involves building content channels using AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and videos without showing your face. Examples include top 10 lists, educational content, or product reviews. The trend is growing thanks to tools like InVideo and 11 Labs, which make faceless channels profitable through ads and affiliate links. Once a channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, earnings of $500 or more per month are realistic. To start, write scripts with ChatGPT, edit videos using CapCut, and post consistently in niches like finance or motivation. AI-powered UGC creation for brands. This side hustle focuses on creating user-generated content videos or ads using AI and selling them to brands on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Brands are actively seeking affordable AI-powered advertising, which creates high demand for fast and scalable UGC. Earnings typically range from $100 to $500 per video, and producing 5 to 10 videos per month can reach $2,000 or more. To get started, use free AI tools for hooks and testimonials, and reach out to brands directly through DMs or freelance platforms. Print on demand with AI designs. Print on demand allows you to design custom products like t-shirts or mugs using AI-generated artwork without holding inventory. This market is expanding rapidly and benefits from viral trends and niche communities such as hobbies or humor. Monthly earnings can range from $500 to over $10,000 with the right designs. To start, create artwork using Midjourney or Canva. Then integrate with services like Printful and a Shopify free trial. Affiliate marketing with AI content. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products using AI-written reviews, newsletters, or social media posts and earning commissions on sales. This method is trending because it becomes passive once traffic builds, and AI significantly speeds up content creation. With consistent posting, it is possible to earn $500 or more per month through platforms like Amazon or ClickBank. To begin, join affiliate programs, use AI to generate content, and share it on platforms such as X, TikTok, or Pinterest. Virtual assistants enhanced with AI tools. Virtual assistants provide administrative support such as email management, scheduling, or data entry, with AI tools improving efficiency and output. This trend is growing as businesses increasingly need remote support, and AI helps beginners stay competitive. Earnings range from $15 to $35 per hour, and working 15 to 20 hours per month can reach $3,000 or more. To start, create a profile on platforms like Upwork or Belay and highlight your ability to use AI tools such as ChatGPT. You'll find all the links for mentioned tools and more in this video description. Don't forget to follow Profitable Business Online for more tips, strategies, and real opportunities to grow your income online.